Welcome to Options Trading 101, a beginner's guide to understanding options trading. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with options trading. First, let's start with the basics. What are options? An option is a contract that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specified price and time. There are two types of options: call options and put options. Call options give the buyer the right to buy the underlying asset at a specified price, while put options give the buyer the right to sell the underlying asset at a specified price. Options trading can be done through a trading platform like this one. You can buy or sell options contracts, and the price of the option will change based on the underlying asset's price. Now, let's talk about some key terms you should know when trading options. These include strike price, expiration date, and premium. The strike price is the price at which the option can be exercised. The expiration date is the date on which the option expires. And the premium is the price you pay for the option. One thing to keep in mind when trading options is that they can be risky. Make sure you have a solid understanding of the underlying asset and the market before you start trading. And now for the bonus point: when trading options, it's important to have a strategy in place. This could include things like setting stop-loss orders or using technical analysis to make trading decisions. That's all for our beginner's guide to options trading. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you a basic understanding of options trading. Thanks for watching.